Hi everyone, it's me, Vic, from Drawer with Vic, and I'm here today to show you what you'll get if you sign up to Jigsaw PSHE. As you can see, in your box you'll receive a letter, and the letter provides you instructions on how you will use your Jigsaw Friends. In this box, you will find the important physical resources to be used in conjunction with your Jigsaw PSHE lessons. To help you maximise the benefits of your programme and to understand how the physical resources are used, it is important that you visit the Getting Started area of the Jigsaw portal. This is Jeannie, our early years Jigsaw friend. Our Jigsaw Friends are really great distancing tools, and they help kids feel safe to express themselves in the classroom. Jigsaw Friends are integral to Jigsaw PSHE, and you can read about them when you click on the Getting Started button, then click on the structure of the pieces in Jigsaw of the Jigsaw portal. I would like to introduce to you Jigsaw Jack. Jack is our year 1 Jiggy friend. On the label it states all the Jiggy's names, and on the back they have a little introduction which will be really nice to read to all of the kids. So Jack says, "Hello, I'm Jigsaw Jack and I'll be helping you with your Jigsaw work this year. I'm really looking forward to being part of your class." Isn't that really sweet? Our Introducing Jigsaw Friends whole school assembly is a perfect way to tell children about the resources and can be found by going to the Materials button, then clicking on PSHE Primary, then click Whole School Resources, then finally clicking Assemblies. Next up, I'd like to introduce to you our Year 2 Jigsaw friend, Joe. Hello. Next up, I'd like to introduce our Year 3 Jigsaw friend, Gino. Hello, Gino. Next up, we have our Year 4 Jigsaw friend, Jigsaw Jazz. And Jigsaw Jazz, just like all the other Jiggy friends, is so soft and so squishy, it's so comforting to hold. For all the kids, they'll love them. They're also hand washable, so if they get a bit filthy, a little bit dirty, you can just chuck them in a bath of water or anything like that with a bit of soap, and they're fresh and good as new. And here I have our Year 5 and Year 6 Jigsaw friends. So for Year 5, you'll have Jiggy Jazz, and for Year 6, you'll have Jiggy Gem. Finally, I would like to introduce Jerry Cat. Jerry is used for pause points in the lesson to encourage children to take a moment to pause and reflect. You lift up Jerry and you lift up Jerry's paws, and this will get the attention of the children to encourage them to take a moment to pause and reflect on their lesson. And this is the Jigsaw Chime, and this is used in calmy time, and this helps children to focus and relax, and it's used to get everyone's attention back and create a peaceful atmosphere, and this is what it will sound like. Enjoy!